If you guys hear noise in the background, sorry, that's my washing machine. I didn't have a good day today, so when this finally came, I should be excited to unbox it because I haven't really bought anything cool in a while, but yeah, anyways, that's the bottom. Hiding the serial number if I can, but I don't know if I can. Oh, before I go there, there's the front, sides, back. Got the champagne gold with the hazel active band. I got the Wi-Fi version, not the LTE. Alright, it looks like I'm supposed to. I was trying to figure out how to open this too, because it looks like you can just pull it from these tabs. That's not the case. I noticed this a little bit. Oh, okay. I guess that's how it's supposed to open. Alright. Well, that's interesting. Yeah, like I said, I just had a really bad day today, so while this is supposed to be a fun thing, right now it's like really frustrating me right now. The package was so hard to open. Am I supposed to break this to get the cable out? Like, what? I guess so. Well, that sucks. Can't keep anything intact. Alright, so what is this? Oh, that's the bands. Is this one of them? Oh, it's a longer one if you need it. I might not need it. I have pretty small wrists. As I was gonna say, it looks like it already came with a band already installed. It's pretty hefty, actually. Does not feel like a light watch at all. So I'm guessing this is supposed, because I see there are 4 pogo pins. It's supposed to, yeah, there's a magnet. What the heck? It only goes one way. If you try to go the other way, it repels. See? They don't let you actually put it on. So no more wireless charging, it looks like. And if you look, there's 4 small pogo pins there. And the sensors look a lot more complicated. You can see my reflection. I'm not really dressed for any occasions to be on camera, that's why I'm behind it. So thank you, watch, for revealing my ugly ass. Now it's hard to make out what it says on the edges of it. And again, excuse the noise in the background, that's my washing machine. I think I said that right. And the other noises too is my dogs. That's interesting. I see a little slot here. I have no idea what that's for. And we get the crown and the button. And I think this is a button that you push to be able to remove the oh, I see. You have to push down and it kind of, there you go. So you can pop it off. Okay. I'm guessing this is the same for the other side? Yeah, cool. It's actually pretty easy to pop them off, I guess, which is kind of cool. Comes with this silicone, which is kind of like a feeling a little rubbery type of texture, which is really great for sports, I guess, but that's not really what I'm using it for. I'm trying to pop this off, but that's hard to do in this one. Oh well, I'm gonna do that later. Let's see, how do you turn this on? There's a button up here. I'm gonna push and hold it. No, what about the crown? Nope. Maybe I need to plug it in. Oh well, this is an a boring unboxing. Sorry, that's not as exciting. To be honest, a lot of my excitement of this already kind of got sapped out anyways with the day I had today. Like, you literally just got it. We just had a bad storm and stuff happened. I don't want to divulge in the video. Oh shit, I thought I saw some lights. Did you guys see that? It just came on its own. Sorry for my nails, by the way. I have not been taking care of myself either. So, one of the reasons why I got a watch is that I really needed something to remind me of when shit is happening. I don't always have my phone, or when something happens and my phone tells me, hey, you got something coming up, I would not see it if I'm not constantly looking at my phone, which I'm not. And so I was hoping to get a watch so that I get reminders a little more regular, better, and not miss things on my calendar. Okay, what does it say? I'm guessing you can do that with this. So that's the bezel that you see. It's my washer. Sorry. On your phone, download and open Pixel Watch app. I don't know if that always changes or what. Alright, well, I'm going to connect this. I didn't want to show any. It's really smooth though. Really responsive. This is not my first Android watch, by the way. If you guys remember the Moto 360, that was my first one. And that thing was janky. I mean, it wasn't like... It was okay, I guess, but it was nothing like the Apple smartwatch, you know? But I'm hoping this will be a better go because they have more time to work on this, and this is actually something from Google directly. So, no, there's actually some haptic feedback. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Well, if not, it's not really audible. It's more like you can feel it. It's like clicking. Kind of like if your crown has a little texture as you're moving it. And yep, I can see that too with my naked eye. That's not infrared. That's an actual green light. Alright, I'm gonna set this up and play with it. But this is more just of an unboxing. I'm not really sure if I'm going to do a review because I just don't have the energy to do it. For me, this is really just kind of like documentation of unboxing of stuff. So, you know, like in the future, me might want to look back and stuff. I've done that a lot with already unboxings I've done for older products too, especially me unwrapping cassettes because, you know, you don't really get to do that all that often because they're getting really expensive. And also, like the unboxing of the tablet, which by the way, I'm still using right now. This one right here is my tablet. My tablet is my camera. I really wanted the Pixel tablet, by the way. I'm really more of a Pixel person, but problem is I already got this tablet, so, and I bought this one before the tablet was announced. Guys, one of the dogs is trying to hump the other, I'm sure, and the other one didn't like it. Anyways, all right, I am done here. If there's anything noteworthy that I want to add to this, I'll let you guys know. All right, bye for now.